Hi everyone, it's Julie Rowlands and welcome to my website. I'm delighted that you're here and hopefully you'll find all sorts of things to support you as you get started using doTERRA Essential Oils for your health and wellness. First of all, a little bit about me. I am a doTERRA wellness advocate and life coach. What that means is that I love to support people to use their essential oils and get the best out of them to help support themselves and friends and family with common things like sleep, anxious feelings, digestive discomforts, aches and discomforts, all of those kinds of things, all the things that a lot of people in our society are looking for natural solutions for. So, if that's what you're looking for, you've come to the right place, okay? Have a look at the blog. I regularly update that, and also we've got the newsletter. So sign up to my newsletter and I'll be sending, updates and helpful tips and tools from that. But mostly I'd really love you to have a check out of the shop tab, because on the shop tab you will be able to get started using your essential oils. Now you will see that there are super discounted starter kits all ready to go. Okay, so head on to that shop tab and you'll be able to see the different things that are going to support you as you get started. So once you've done that, and I will be back in touch because there are loads of goodies that I can send you, and we'll get together and have a catch up about what's next. So I'm so excited. That'd be great, and really looking forward to connecting with you. Just also know that on this website we have a private members area. So what that means is that once you have your essential oils going and you've got started, you can join with other people in the same community and share ideas, recipes and those kinds of things. So it's a great place to come to find what you're looking for. Okay, so look forward to that as well. Okay, that's about all from me now, and I really look forward to seeing you on the other side. Bye for now.